How to add another Instagram account on one device. First things first, open up your Instagram app on your phone. Now, once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. It's that little circle with your photo or your profile picture if you have one. Alright, so at the top right corner of your profile, you'll see these three little lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on that. After you tap on it, you'll see a menu pop up. One of the options there will be settings and privacy. Tap on that one. Now, this part's easy. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. When you get to the bottom, you'll see a section called Login. Right there, you'll see Add Account. Tap on that. Now, Instagram will give you a couple of options. Since we're adding a new account, choose the one that says Create New Account. Alright, this is where you get to be creative. Think of a cool username for your new account. Type it in and hit Next. Now, you gotta make sure your account is secure. Create a password that's strong and something you'll remember. Tap Next when you're done. Instagram might ask you for some more info or for your phone number. Just follow the prompts and fill in the info they need. Once you've filled everything out and you're happy with your new account, tap Complete Sign Up. And boom, you've done it. You've successfully added another Instagram account on your device. Now you can switch between accounts whenever you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching. Until next time.